In this class we will know the operating logic of SolidWorks for the creation of parts and also for the creation of assemblies and details. Because this knowledge is fundamental to the use of the program. Come on, let's go. Project development in SolidWorks is carried out in 3 standard environments: part, where we model the parts; assembly, where we assemble the components; drawing, where we do the detailing. These environments are controlled by templates, which have some options set, for example, units of measure. The user can also create their own templates, however, this is a subject dealt with in advanced courses. Usually we start our work in the part file, where we create the pieces, which can be mounted in the assembly file, forming a set. Or can be just detailed in the drawing environment. In the part environment we work with sketches, which are the sketches through which we add or remove material to form solids. Sketches control the model through geometric and dimensional relationships, facilitating possible changes in geometry. In SolidWorks we can change the part at any time because the tools used are stored in the constructive sequence. Allowing flexibility in the development of the project. Any changes you make to a part will automatically propagate to all files that use it, such as assemblies or breakdowns. These changes can be made in any environment where the part is being used: part, assembly or drawing. In this course we will explore the part environment, creating the sketches and modeling the pieces. We have seen in this class the main characteristics of SolidWorks operating logic, briefly explaining the way in which the software works.